In this process, insert cables one at a time into two inserts while holding them together until all cables are installed. This will ensure the cables are placed in identical slots, which result in a twist-free bundle. Once all the cables are installed, the inserts can be separated by pulling them apart. Secure the jacket covers around each of the inserts by simply fastening and securing the hook and loop cinch cable tie around the jacket. The ergonomic compact design is easy to handle and manage. Each tool can now be guided in the desired direction to bundle the cables. Notice that the low friction design and material allows the tool to glide smoothly across the bundle length. You can now begin to apply Panduit tack tie, hook and loop cable ties at desired intervals as you move along the bundled length. Tack tie cable ties are a safe way to bundle cables while maintaining network data integrity by protecting against over-tensioning. Continue this process across the length of the bundle until complete. For installers who are more comfortable starting the bundling process at one end of the cable bundle, the same process can be followed using a single insert. The Panduit Cable Bundle Organizing Tool organizes and bundles up to 24 data cables to optimize bundle size and improve appearance. Use this tool to easily organize cables 50% faster than the traditional methods.